Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily transfer WhatsApp from old Android or Samsung to new Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply open WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. Press on three dot, choose the first option and get this option. Three dot, settings, QR code, and press on to scan QR code. Okay, and you just scan this QR code. Click on to continue and try again. Need to scan 2 times for verification purpose. Okay, as you can see, now successfully transfer this account. That's it.